So. Okay. You're doing such a good job of entertaining yourself.
Hi, Shay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Shay Shay, can you tell me where is your ears? Where are your ears? Yes. Where is your head? Yes. Where is your shoulders? Yes. Where's your tummy? Yeah. Where's your elbows? Elbows. Where's your tushy? Yep. Where are your knees? Yeah. Where are your toes? Down there, yep. Where's your cheeks? Yes. Where are your teeth? Good one. Where's your chin? Yeah. Where's your tongue? Can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
You say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Shay Shay.
Hi, Mommy.
Can you say...
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Shay.
Can you say Wawa?
Hello.
Where's your water? Where's your water? Can you reach it?
It's your milk.
It's your milk. Where's your water?
I don't have any water right now, do you?
Oh. Oh, you don't want it? Okay.